headed to Mae Ya Waterfall. So today's a long drive to Doi Inthanon, about an hour and a half from Chiang Mai.
We have run into 3 police checkpoints today, and I've been able to weasel my way out of fines in all 3 of them. So I'm pretty excited about that.
Getting money.
Ryan's over there pulling out the last $4 that he has.
It's also his birthday.
Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Yay. There you go.
Right, now that he's got the money to pay for everything today, we're gonna keep going.
He's got those he said his grandma deposited some birthday money into his account, so he's pulling that out right now. We got a long road ahead of us. Long road ahead of us. Another hour. Better be worth it. Little town full of little people. Ryan came super unprepared, so we had to stop to get him Wi-Fi, we had to stop to get him cash, we had to stop to get him gas.
I felt bad about that.
And now we gotta stop to get him shorts.
I got a couple more things on.
There's this little market, so it's kind of cool. And then there's a big sign that says Mae Ya Waterfall that way.
Mae Ya, 12 kilometers.
400? Okay. But if it's 100 and it won't go down to 90.
Haggling with the ladies at the market is always tough, man. Where are you running to though, bud? Okay. These places are never cheap. 300 baht each, which is about 10 bucks a piece, plus 20 for the motorbike. So $21, $22 to get it.
We made it. After the checkpoint, it was still another 6 kilometers to get to the trailhead of the waterfall. And then we gotta walk a little further, 600 meters, before we actually see the waterfall. But here's a map. We're right here. We're here. Everything else is kind of far away over there.
So this one's way out of the way.
Yeah, that's why like the tours will take you to this stuff. But not many of them come out because yeah, it's far.
The road out here wasn't too bad. It was fairly empty. Good curves, so you can have some fun on the scoot magoot. Let's walk up and take a look at this thing.
Go around and then we'll get to see the second biggest waterfall in Thailand. Don't throw garbage. Here it is.
On your own. You have to do it on your own.
You gotta help me.
Okay, come on. Ready? 1, 2, dunk.
What's it? Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Third time's the charm. You're so tough.
2, 3. Oh, okay, there.
That's it. Fall, 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 fall.
I think I can do this. I was about to step off on that rock and it's so...
All right, we're gonna try and get all the way to the waterfall and shower in the waterfall. Whoa! Here we go.
And it like, I like how the sign says no climbing. Careful. Oh, you did it.
You got it!
Shit. I did almost eat it as soon as I stepped on this road.
I made it. I made it.
Oh gosh.
I made it.
Mae Ya Waterfall is definitely worth the drive, right?
Top 10. Top 10.
Yeah, so if you're in Chiang Mai, it's worth getting out here on a scooter an hour and a half because it's just amazing. It's huge. I mean, it's the second biggest waterfall in Thailand, but just all the levels that it has is amazing.
Definitely the nicest.
There's all these little like water spiders in the water, so depends on how comfortable you are with bugs. But it's nice just to look at it.
Well, we've been here a couple of hours and I think we're ready to head back, right?
Yeah, we'll figure out if there's anything to stop at on the way, or I don't know, maybe get some food.
So about 2 or 3 hours. It's a good amount of time, yeah. This place is awesome, and since it's so out of the way, there's not too many foreigners. We had the whole place to ourselves for a good 45 minutes. It's really cool. Definitely worth the trip.
We stopped for some street food. We all got some fried chicken because it looked really good.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's see that fried chicken there.
Let's see that fried chicken, man.
Fried chicken tenders.
Yeah, buddy.
And I got like this thing of rice.
You know, you wanna travel around the world, just be aware. You'll get to the point where you may have to use the squatty potty. And there's no toilet paper. It's just a bucket of water and the squatty potty. But I'm gangster, and I did it. So, is that a rite of passage? I think so. What about you, Christy? Would you do the squatty potty?
Just for number one, if I have to. I would prefer not to.
Just don't touch me.
Yeah, it sucks. And you pay for it too. You pay 3 baht to get in. Adds insult to injury.
Wait for me! Okay. No more joking. Let's get home. We got like 45 more minutes.